Hey guys, Mikey here. Welcome back to another short video of the intermediate data analysis in our tutorial series. So today we'll be looking at how to create sequences in R. Sequences are very useful, so we are very familiar with the normal sequencing where we give like something like a equal 1 to 10 like that. But today we'll be looking at a few subdivisions of that. So first we will look at how to create a sequence with particular increment. For that we will use the seq function and we will give the increment using the by option here. So what we are telling is that a equal, we want to create a sequence from 0 to 20. So this is the lower limit and this is the upper limit, and we want the increment to be 2. So if you run this function, our final result will look something like this. So we have like 0, 2, 4. It's the minimum is 0 and maximum is 20, and the difference here is 2. But if we change, let's say with maybe something like 5, yeah, it will be 0, 5, 10, 15 and 20. Another way of sequencing is by specifying the length. So what we mean here is that, so if you just run this thing, so when we tell the length to be 3, it means that between the minimum and the maximum we just want 3 values. So don't confuse it, because if we have something like 1, our result will be entirely different because it starts from 1 and not from 0. So you need to be careful with that. And instead of 3, if you want, let's say something like 5, so from 0 to 20 we want 5 values. So we will get 0, 5, 10, 15 and 20. Just be careful that when we give the minimum, it includes the minimum as well. And another way of sequencing is by repeating. So here what I'm using is I'm using the REP function, and I'm telling that I want values from 1 to 3 and I want to repeat it 3 times. So in total I'll be getting 9 values. So the result will look something like this. So it's 1, 2, 3 repeated 3 times. Well, that's all for now. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I'll see you guys again tomorrow with another video. Till then, ciao.